Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be flipping through the new sticker book from KellofaPlan, ROYGBIV Boxes and Florals, Volume 4. So this releases today. If you're interested in purchasing, I'm going to have it linked down in the description. So definitely check out that link. I'm also going to do a quick little plan with me using this book, so stay tuned for that as well. But first I'm going to flip through the book. So it's going to be some functional and decorative stickers in this book. We have the red section right here, and these are two different kinds of reds on this page. It might be hard to see, but there's two. Then we have the floral section, and these are clear. You get 2 sheets of the florals in clear. Orange, I love these oranges, 3 different kinds. And then the orange florals, they are the same sheets in clear. Yellow, and I got some sunflowers, pretty. Green, ooh, I love those like succulents, those are pretty. Blue, some pretty blue florals. These would be good to use for like Halloween. They're kind of like moody florals. We have what, like violet, I think, purple. I think more violet. And then purple. There's 2 sheets. We're just stuck. Another purple. I guess that was violet. I'm not sure on exact colors, but this is the purple. I love this deep purple. Then we have like pinks, like a magenta color. Ooh, I love these like blush tones. Those are pretty. And those florals are really pretty too. So you got a good variety of colors in that book. All right, so now I'm gonna do a plan with me featuring this book. All right, so I got some KellofaPlan planner pages. They're from last month, but that's okay. That's just a mock spread. I'm gonna use, I pulled all the colors. I got red, orange, yellow, green. What are these colors? Blue. And then indigo. I didn't know the colors when I was flipping through it, but it's indigo and then violet. And then you have the extra colors, like the purple and the pinks and stuff, since that's not part of the rainbow. But I'm gonna go with these for here. So I haven't done, I've done spreads where like you can do the color changes within the middle, but I also like doing them on the top too. Oh geez, oh my gosh, poked myself with my scissors. Fun. All right, so I'm just going to cut like a straight line and then just start layering them on the top. Okay. Got orange. And since they're clear, they layer pretty nice on top of each other. And then some of them are already cut, so that's perfect. Then I'll have to cut them. So definitely look out for those in this book. I'm sorry, I suppose the yellow. Yellow is next. Okay, so let's cut it this way. And green. Nice. What's next? I have the blue, and then the indigo, which is basically blue. That's okay. I like blue. And then This one is supposed to be violet. It's got a little violet in it. Okay, so I cut off like, so that way most of the violet is left on there, like so. Like, look how pretty that is. You got like a little cascading floral on top. All right, so I'm going to go back in here. And one thing I like to do is, like, when I do a rainbow ROYGBIV kind of spread, is keep like the boxes kind of within the areas for the colors. So got Monday, and then I can do orange. Layer an orange on top. There's gonna be a lot of boxes in here. Got yellow. I'll do this way. And then green. Let's do this green. Actually, this green. And then blue. Blue here. Let's do this. Do a smaller one. And then the indigo. This one. And the violet. I'll do the lighter one. The blues and this side looks very similar. If I was doing this, I would switch out, like I would do purple here and then pink just to make it like a little bit more different, because this one has the variety on this side, but this one, like, these colors seem very similar to each other, so that's what I would do. But you kind of get the idea of the colors, at least for this spread. I think it looks really pretty with the florals on the top. If you didn't want to do the florals like that way, another way you can use them is to layer them with the boxes. So I'm just going to grab this one here. You can like layer underneath. Definitely before you put them down is better. We got some red there. We can do some green on this one. Green. I love the succulents. They're so pretty. Let's do one of these. Ooh, hopefully these come off pretty good. So I got some green there. Kind of like scatter the colors around a little bit. Let's do a violet one for this one. There's the violet. Oh, this is violet. Wait, see. That's actually on the wrong side. Okay, let me do a different one. Let's do this one. Not a good idea. Oops. Okay, I have the wax paper. All right, let me lift this up. Okay, and we got the florals here. Pretty. Okay, I think that looks cool. But yeah, there's different ways that you can use them if you're trying to do a ROYGBIV kind of spread, or if you just want to do like a very monochromatic kind of spread, then you could just stick to one section in this book. I really like this one. I think these are really pretty, especially with these boxes. That'd be a pretty spread with like the little pops of green poking out. That's really nice. But yeah, lots of ways that you can use these books. I usually like to do like a rainbow spread if I have something like this, because it just makes it a little bit easier because everything is in here. That's gonna be my little quick plan with me, featuring the new ROYGBIV Boxes and Florals Volume 4 sticker book from KellofaPlan. Definitely check it out if you're interested. It'll be linked down in the description with my affiliate link. I hope you all enjoyed watching this quick flip through and plan with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.